Hello everyone, this is Sobia, faculty of EVS in Tala Padmavati International School. Today we are going to discuss a topic of class 2 chapter 5, our school. So the topic is very interesting because everyone likes coming to school. Yes, so here after coming to school, what are you going to do and what are you going to learn? So we are going to learn from this chapter. So what is that? Let us know. What is a school? A school is a place for what? For learning. So what we learn, children, here? We learn many things in the school. And not only that, we make friends in the school. So we make a lot of friends in our school with whom we share our feelings, we play, we enjoy a lot. So here are some of the things what you do at school. So after coming to school, children, you learn to read, and not only that, you will learn to write and paint, draw, dance, sing and play. So you learn a lot of things. These are few of the things which you learn after coming to school. Not only that, you learn to be punctual, discipline and good manners. So it means you need to come exactly on time, and we can learn how to maintain time. And not only that, we learn to be in a disciplined way, like if we are in an assembly or else if we are in a class, we just try to keep the class as well as assembly quiet. So we try to make ourselves disciplined, and we just try to learn some good manners, like have to be friendly, and have to be kind, and how you need to help others. So these are the few things which you learn in the school when you come to school. So not only that, we learn some more things. So we learn about people, so what type of people stays in our surroundings, and we just learn about religions, how many type of religions, their languages, what are its existence and etc. And we try to learn about cultures. So what do you mean by culture, students? Here, what type of food they eat, what type of clothings they wear. So in different states, different type of clothings, and what speaking language will be. We are going to learn about these all, and we learn about wonderful world, what happens in the world, and we learn about computer also. What we need to do at school are the things which you need to follow. We need to go to school regularly. We should also take part in all school activities and functions, like if you are having any annual day or else if you are having any cultural event, so you need to take part in that and you have to participate in that. And not only that, you need to learn exercises, games and sports, all the extracurricular activities what are there. We just need to learn those from the school. And what does a school have? So the school is going to have a library. What we do in the library, children? We just try to read stories, we just try to spend some time by just learning new things in a library. Not only that, we do have a medical hall and a playground and a music room where you can learn music, computer room and dancing room. And not only that, we do have arts and craft room, so activity room where we'll be calling is. You do have all these in your school, children? Yes, we do have all these facilities in our school. So next it comes for a uniform. A school uniform, what is the use of it and why do we need to have a school uniform? Yes, a school uniform is a common dress, children, who where you are going to see all the students in the school are going to wear same dress. So the use of school uniform is you will be identified as a student of particular school with the help of your school uniform. And it shows the equality in students, as if all the students are equal. So a school uniform is must. And next it comes for the principal. So here the principal is called as head of the school, children. So here what is principal is going to do, she is going to look after day to day activities of the school, like what teachers are doing, what students are doing, how the school is going on. So all the things are going to be taken care by the principal of the school. And next it comes for, there are other peoples other than principal, there are some other peoples in the school. Who are there? Let us find out. So here is a school bus. So what is the work of a driver in the school? He is going to pick up from our home, and he is going to drop in the school, and again from school to home. So the school driver drives us to school and takes us back home. And next we do have a gardener in the school. So what is the work of a gardener? She is going to look after the garden. And next, the sweeper. The sweeper, what is the work of sweeper? Going to clean the school. And next, a guard. The guard looks after the school's security. So he guards the school building, children. So he is not going to allow the strangers and new people, strangers, to enter the school. So he is going to take care of the school as if no one has to enter the school. Next, peon. So the peon let us know that the period has ended. So like the period will be for 45 minutes by just ringing the bell. He is going to say you that the period has ended. This work is done by the peon. And not only that, he is going to do the small jobs of the principal also. And the next it comes for a classroom. And the room which we study, what is it called as, children? Classroom. And not only that, the classroom is going to have a blackboard, a chart board, and many desks and chair. So we learn many things in the school. So what are that? We should keep it neat and clean. We should take care of our school by following some rules. So here are some rules how you need to follow and take care of your school, children. So what is the first rule? Do not damage the school furniture. You should be very careful by using the school furniture. So you should not damage the school furniture. And you should not pluck flowers and harm the plants in the school garden. And not only that, children, do not scribble on the walls and furniture, like writing something on a wall and just pasting something and just making the grooves on the wall. So this you shouldn't do. And you should not shout or scream in the class or bus. So you should be very polite in speaking, and always you need to walk in a queue. And next, you need to share, and you need to take care of each other, and you need to help each other. And always you should greet your teacher and other people at school. So this is how you are going to follow some of the rules in your school. So try to implement these all rules in your school. Have a nice day. Thank you.